We have a problem when we are given an array and also we are given an integer k as an input. So what we need to do is we need to find the minimum number of the unique elements after removing k elements from the array. So what's that mean? Let's go step by step. First, what we are doing here, we are counting that the frequency of each element. For example, 5 is repeated twice and the 4 is repeated once. And we need to remove one element. After removing one element, we need to return the minimum number of the unique elements. Well, if we remove 5, then the unique elements in the array, in that case 5 and 4, which means that there are 2 unique elements, but if we remove 4, then in that case we have 1 unique element in the array. So we are removing the unique elements that has the less frequency, the elements that have the less frequency. So let's take another example. In this case we are removing 4 and we are returning 1. We have 1 unique element in the array after removing 1 element. In the another one, so what we have in the second example, right? So we have a larger array and the k is equals to 3 in this case. So again, we are counting frequency for each element. 4 is repeated once, 3 is repeated 3 times, and so on. So what we do is we need to remove the 3 elements. Which 3 elements we are removing? So we are removing 4, right? So first we are removing 4, then we are removing 2 because 2 is repeated once. And after that, what we do? So we need to remove one more elements, right? So because we need to remove k elements. In this case, we are removing 1, right? We are removing 1, and after that, our array is 1 and 3, 3, 3. So as a result, we are returning 2. How are we going to solve this problem? So the solution is very straightforward. The first thing that what we are doing here, we are counting the frequency. We are going over our array and we are counting the frequency for each element. So after that, what we do is we are sorting the frequency. So we are taking the values of the map and we are sorting the frequencies. So after sorting the frequencies, we are taking the unique. Unique means that this is what we are returning, right? This is the number of the unique elements with the different frequencies, but the number of the unique elements in our array. So then what we do, we are going over our counts, and we are removing, that if k is more than c, which means that we can remove that from the array, right? So we can remove that from the array. So what we do here is from the k, we are subtracting those elements. So for example, in our case, right, in our example, so what we do is, let's say k is equals to 3, right? First we are removing 2, then we are removing 4, and then we are removing 1, right? So that's exactly what we are doing. And in each iteration, we are decrementing unique because we are completely removing one unique number, right? First we are removing 4, then we are removing 2, and if the k is less than c, so what it means we cannot completely remove that element, so that element will be in our final array. So we are not decrementing that unique, and we are breaking and we are returning the unique.